doing was standing at the three-point line, cashing out.
Got you with another one. I know how y'all been seeing. I've been uploading these clips, you know, and yes, I got the Chevelle back, and it's from painting. It's looking excellent. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you how it look, and basically go over a few things that got done to it. Let's go. So I took a chance. I went on ahead and cleaned it up in the garage because it had got dusty. I had it home for about a week. So the dust started piling up. I'm like, man, I can't record this video till I get it right. So I also been taking care of a few little things that didn't get done while it was at the shop. But walk you around. Give you a good walk around. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get some more light. I'm gonna open my garage up so we could get a little more light. My garage a little dim. I gotta clean out my garage. I'm gonna do that soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what's going on as I walk around. I had a lot of rust on this car all over the place. I put in new quarters, both sides, full quarters, not the skins. New fenders, which y'all know about that. You've been watching my previous videos. The new hood, cowl induction hood with the door. The fenders, we know I didn't have the 70s that got the marker lights on there, so I definitely had to change them. That was like the first thing I brought when I was buying body parts. I started purchasing body parts like a year and a half before I even got the work done. Everything else, pretty much the same, was repairable. They took it down to the metal. My trunk, they lined up everything. Remember, the trunk wasn't lined up. So I believe this is the only emblem that I have on the car that says Chevelle or anything like that. That was new. Bumpers, new. Front and back. Door handles I replaced. Some of the trim was able to get polished and was saved. Mirrors, I didn't have a passenger mirror, so I purchased that. I got driver's side new also. This cowl induction, that was with the that came with the, it was a kit with the whole setup with all this stuff. Tierra grill, I actually brought this when I first got the car, so I brought this grill like 5 years ago. Bumper, I replaced all these headlight bezels. Stuff was looking trash. I tried to put back on some of the old stuff. It looked horrible. These I knew. I didn't get yellow because they didn't even have them in stock. I'm gonna zoom in and show y'all. I got, if you can see it, maybe the camera focus. I got ghost stripes on here. Same color as the car, the rest of the car, but just a little lighter. So I still kept the Malibu look. If you peep it sliding by, you know, it'll look like I'm in a regular Malibu. You get up close, it got a little SS feel to it. I cleaned the wheels a little bit. You know, we had these on there for a while. New mirror. I still ain't put the rest of my interior. I got my back seats right there, but I'm doing some stuff inside. So, we could peek in there. I got my console in, TV, radio. You know, the dash, I had that in there. Whatever. All this stuff. I did replace those. Man, I was gonna get Sandman Designs, but I didn't. Speaking of that, those Sandman Designs. I don't know, just a little jewelry. That closed pretty good. Still a heavy door, so you're gonna have to put a little force. I replaced all my reflectors on the back side of there. That one. Well, of course, the fender didn't come with a reflector, so I had to buy that. Man, what else I get? Yeah, so I probably should have replaced the window trim, but now the shop, they painted this black for me, and I purchased some new ones, but I kind of prefer how that looks over the new ones, because the new ones have all these gray lines across, and I don't know how I feel about the gray lines. I kind of like how they painted this a gloss black for me. I actually like that. See the ghost stripes on the trunk? I don't know how bright it is. I didn't clean the windows, but man, that thing is, it's a lot of reflection in the back, man. That's because it's glass. I ain't gonna lie. Right. I think I'm gonna do another video where I talk about what everything costs. Not everything, but it's a lot of extra stuff when you get into paint that if you don't really know the cost, like, man, you could be getting yourself into something. That stance, I love the stance. My other video, I'll show y'all, like, I went through some back and forth trying to get that right. Yeah, it's decent. If y'all don't know, this is a frame off. I talked about that in another video too. I'll pop the hood another video. I just wanted to give you a rundown, show you what's going on. I know people hitting me up like, man, you thought you got the car painted. What's going on? Yeah, it is. I got a few more things on the way. Sniper EFI kit, Sniper 2 EFI kit. Few other things. I'm gonna finish putting my sound system in. On the interior, I gotta still get my headliner done. I'm gonna do something similar. I don't know what material that is, but it looks suede, but I am getting suede, black suede. And finish putting the interior in. Man, hit a like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. It kind of be hard to, it's not a sunny day. I would have pulled it outside, but it's not a sunny day, so it's no big deal. My light, I know my lights in here is terrible. I end up doing another video outside in the sunlight where you can really see it, but let me know what you think.